Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure the user has an archive-enabled license and you're in the Exchange Admin Center. Once done, enable the user's archive mailbox. This creates a separate archive store you can target. Next, decide whether you'll move items manually or use retention policies and tags to auto-archive. Make these choices now because they determine where messages land and how discoverable they remain for compliance and search. Now configure retention tags. Create move-to-archive tags with clear age thresholds, like items older than 2 years. Apply those tags within a retention policy and assign it to mailboxes. This automates ongoing archiving and reduces manual work. If you need immediate results, perform a bulk mailbox export or use the Exchange Admin Center's Move Mailbox tools to shift items to the archive. If litigation or compliance is a concern, use the Microsoft 365 Compliance Center first to place holds and preserve content. Finish by verifying the archive. Open the user's archive mailbox in Outlook or OWA and sample messages to confirm correct placement. Once confirmed, monitor the retention policies reports to ensure ongoing application and expected storage growth. If something goes wrong, check for e-discovery or litigation holds that prevent moves, look at search indexing status, and review service throttling or sync errors. Resolving those typically clears stuck items. Finally, rerun the move or refresh the policy after fixing the root issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.